Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. So in this video ay mag-solve na naman tayo ng isang math challenge problem, no? Yung problem na to galing ito sa 15th Philippine Math Olympiad qualifying round. Hindi naman siya ganun kahirap, so I think okay lang naman itong problem na ito dito sa math challenge series natin. Okay, so kung gusto niyo pag-isipan, pwede niyo i-pause yung video tapos balik kayo mamaya para tignan yung solution niyo, no? So, tuloy na natin, no? Sana nag-pause kayo at nag-solve. We want to find the least common multiple of 15 factorial and 2 cubed times 3 to the 9th times 5 to the 4th times 7 to the first power, no? Now, kung makikita nyo, in prime factor form yung 2 cubed times 3 to the 9th times 5 to the 4th times 7 to the first power. So, gawin din natin ay i-represent din natin yung 15 factorial in prime factor form. We know that 15 factorial is equal to 15, no? Times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times baba natin ng konti times 10 times 9, times 8, times 7, times 6, times 5, times 4, times 3, times 2, times 1. No? And then, tignan natin yung prime factors nila. Yung 15 ay 3 times 5. No? This is 3 times 5. Yung 14 is 2 times 7. 13 is prime, so okay na yan. 12 is 4 times 3 or 2 squared times 3, di ba? 11 is prime. 10 is 2 times 5. 9 is 3 squared. 8 is 2 cubed. 7 is prime. 6 is 2 times 3. 5 is prime. 4 is 2 squared. And then we have 2 more primes, no? So, hanapin muna natin yung pinakamaliit na prime, yung 2, no? So, we have 2. And we have 2 squared here. That's 2 cubed. Times 2 is 2 to the 4th. Times 2 cubed is 2 to the 7th. Times 2 is 2 to the 8th. And times 2 squared is 2 to the 10th. And another 2 here. That's 2 to the 11th. Okay? And then, hanapin natin yung 3, no? We have 1 3 here. And then another 3 here. That's 3 squared. And then 3 squared here. That's 3 to the 4th. 3 to the 5th. And 3 to the 6th, no? That's 3 to the 6th. Next, we look for 5, no? We have 5 here. And another one here, that's 5 squared. And another one here, that's 5 cubed. So we have 5 cubed. Tapos meron tayong 7. Yung susunod na prime is 7. Andito at meron pa tayong isang 7 dito. So that's 7 squared. Tapos yung susunod ay 11 at saka 13. Yun yung last na primes natin. So, times 11 times 13. And this number, no, we want to find the LCM of this number. And yung number dito sa taas, 2 cubed. 2 cubed times, 3 to the 9th times 5 to the 4th times 7 to the first power. So we want to get the LCM of these two numbers, no? And pag merong naka-prime factor siya, no? Recall that to get the LCM, dapat igrupo natin yung mga primes, no? Parehong prime raised to a power, and then kukunin natin yung mas malaking number. Yun yung kanyang LCM, no? Tapos pag walang kasama, like 11 and 13, isasama natin yan sa pag wala siyang kapares, no? Isasama natin yan sa LCM. So yung 2 cubes and 2 to the 11, we get the larger number. That's 2 to the 11th. Larger number is 3 to the 9th. Larger number is 5 to the 4th. Larger number is 7 squared. Tapos isasama natin yung 11 times 11 times 30. Multiplication yan, ha? So ito yung ating LCM. The LCM of these two numbers is equal to this number. Okay, so that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating maiksing video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/classip9ph. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.